Welcome to your first sneak peek at the all-new Erwin Data Modeler. We've completely reimagined the user interface based on years of customer feedback, giving you the modern, intuitive experience you've been asking for without losing any of the power you rely on for your data foundations. Right from the start, right at the top, you'll find the redesigned ribbon bar, all of your familiar tabs, Home, View, Diagram, and Project Explorer. They're organized with refreshed icons and clearer labels to help you find and do what you need fast. Let's take it for a test run and create a new model. Just head to File and select New to get started. Choose the model type that fits whatever your workflow is. We'll select Combined, which will give us both logical and physical views in a single model. Pick your target database and version. We support the full list you're used to. For this demo, we will go with SQL Server 2019. Here is your new workspace. Smart panels that are easily organized and work together to keep everything you need within reach. The model tree is on the left. Properties are on the right, and your action log is along the bottom. The model tree gives you a structured, hierarchical view of every object in your model, tables, columns, domains, and more, all with redesigned icons that make objects easier to identify at a glance. The Properties panel is context-aware. Click any object, a table, a column, a domain, and its properties appear here instantly. No more digging through clunky menus. Every action that you take when modeling is tracked in the action log, and advisories surface helpful guidance as you build so you will always know what's happening in your model. Let's add some entities. Right-click Entities in the model tree and choose Properties to open the new Entities editor. Use the plus button to quickly add entities. We'll add a few here, E1, E2, and E3, with just a few clicks. Renaming an entity is just as quick as adding a new one. Click the edit icon next to any entity and give it a meaningful name. No extra dialogues, no friction, just simple editing. Each entity now has dedicated tabs for everything that you need. There are tabs for shortcuts, volumetrics, business term mapping, definitions, style, and icons, with expandable sections to give you more room to work. Switching between logical and physical views is as simple as a single click. Toggle here to instantly see your physical meta objects in the model tree. Because we toggled to physical, you can now select any physical meta object. In this case, when you select a physical table, the Properties panel will allow you to edit physical specific details. Renaming and editing work the same way. Connecting to your Mart has also been redesigned. Click here on the Mart Connection button to get started and open your connection dialog box. The new dialog box brings everything together in one clean view: server, port, authentication method, and your credentials. Choose Windows or server authentication, enter your details, and connect. Once you are connected, you have full access to Mart. Open models, manage your catalog, and use Git integration, all from the same modern interface. Reverse engineering gets the same modern look and treatment. Launch the wizard, select your model type, and pick your database and version, just like creating a new model. The redesigned wizard walks you through every step: overview, connection, schemas, tables, views, materialized views, and scheduler, with a clearer layout that's easier to follow. If we click back over to a logical model, you can see domains get the same editor experience. Right-click any domain and choose Properties to open the redesigned domain editor. Add new domains with a single click and use the dedicated tabs to manage everything specific to domains. The pattern stays consistent across the entire UI. So once you learn it, you know it everywhere. That's a sneak peek at the soon-to-be-released all-new Erwin Data Modeler, a modern, intuitive, scalable experience that simplifies navigation, boosts productivity, and delivers the refreshed interface you've been asking for, without changing the powerful modeling you already know. Explore it for yourself and let us know what you think.